So today we are going to start linear programming problem. It's the first video of linear programming problem. Today we will study about the linear programming problem. What is linear programming problem? LPP is a mathematical technique used to solve the complexity of taking the best decision from various constraints. Okay, it is a mathematical technique that is used to solve the taking best decisions from various constraints. Constraints are the equations given in the question. Okay, we will see that used to get the optimal solution which achieves the objective. Objectives are maximization and minimization by fulfilling the constraints. Okay, maximization, there are two types of objective. First is maximization and second is minimization. Maximization used to increase the profit and sales of the company, and minimization basically helps to reduce the cost and expenses of the company. Okay, and there are the two methods to solve LPP. First is graphical method and second is algebraic method, simplest method. Okay, first graphical method. The constants are only two. Constants can be any 1, 2, 3 or more than 2, but the variables, that is x1, x2 or anything, that is only 2. Means x1 and x2, only two variables are there in the equation. Then only we can use the graphical method. Otherwise we use simplest method or duality. We will study forward. Okay, first so now today we are going to start graphical method. Okay, here is the question given: solve the LPP by graphical method. Maximize z is equals to 100x plus 40x. This is the objective function. Okay, and subject to constraints are 5x1 plus 2x2 is less than equal to 1000, 3x1 plus 2x2 less than 900, x1 plus x2 less than equal to 500, x1 and x2 is greater than equal to 0. So we are going to start a solution. First we have to change into inequality to equality. This is the inequality problem given in the question. First we have to change it into equal sign. Okay, inequality. See, first equation we write here with the equal sign. Okay, when x1 is equals to 0, then x2 is equal to 500. How it came? x1 is equal to 0. If we put the value x1 here 0, then we get x2 value is, that is 500. 1000 divided by 2. So x2 value is 500. Same we do this again. When x2 value is 0, then x1 is equals to, x2 value is 0, then x1 is equal to 200. 1000 divided by 5. Okay, then the coordinates are 0, 500, 200 and 0. 0 is the x1, x2 is the 500, then again x1 is the 200 and x2 is 0. Same we will do the further for further equations. 3x1 plus 2x2 is equals to 9. Okay, when x1 is equals to 0, then x2 is equal to 900 divided by 2, 450. When x2 is equals to 0, then x1 is equals to 900 divided by 3, that is 300. Same as it is we will do here. Then we will plot these points, these 3 points into graph. Okay, on the x-axis x1, on the y-axis x2. Here is a 3 line we will plot from the given points. See, the first point is 0, 500. See here, 0, 0, 0, 500. Okay, 0 is the x1, 500 is the x2. Then second point, 200, 0. 200 is x1 and x2 is 0. These 2 points, this one and this one, we will join the line we will join the points and we will get a line, that is first equation line. Okay, same we will do for equation 2 and equation 3. 0 450, 0 450. Okay, 400 and 500, in between 450, 0 450. And for second, 300 and 0, 300 and 0. Okay, we will join these 2 points and we will get a one line, that is equation 2, second equation line. Then third point, then third point, 0 250, 0 250, 0, here 0 is the x1, 250 is the x2, 0 250 first point. Then second, 500 0, 500 is x1, x2 is 0. Then we will join this 2 point, we will get a third line, that is 3, equation third line. Okay, we have done this. After this we have to go to the question and see that the question is of maximization. Objective function is maximize. In that we have to do, see here, less than means for equation 1 we have to do, this is the first equation line, this, see here we have to do like this, for like this arrow. Okay, we have to make this. Okay, and for second again, for third also we will do like that. For second equation, this arrow, and for third, this arrow and this arrow. It is less than, it means less than. If a question of maximization, minimization, then here it is given more than, then we have to, this sign we have to make upward. Okay, then in this we have to find a common region. Okay, common region means this, see here, you can see that this is the common region which we got by plotting these points. Okay, these are the 4 points, name as A, second B, third C, and then D. Okay, A, B, C, D, we got the 4 points, and this is the center portion which we got, and we have to write here, see, coordinates A we got 0 0. Okay, this is the x1 value, this is the x2 value, like this I will do. For second, 200 is the x1 and x2 is 0. Okay, and then C here, in between, if you count this, there is a difference between these lines are 10 10 10. It will come in the second point there, that means on x1 it is 120. Okay, 120, and in the we will on the x2 it is 180. Okay, and then D point I got D point 0 and then 250. Okay, and after doing this we have to plot these points on in the objective function. Okay, in the objective function, that is z is equal to 100 x1 plus 40 x2. x1 is this for this one. Okay, if you put the value 0 here and here also 0, and 0 plus 0 0. Then for second B, these are the z values. Okay, which I will get after computing this. 200 is the x1 value, 200 means 20,000. Okay, plus 0. Then for C, 120 plus 100, 120 into 100, it will come 12,000, plus 40 into 180, it will come 7,200, 19,200. Okay, and for this it will come 0, x1 value is 0, x2 value is 250, so it will come 10,000. Okay, in the objective function is given here maximization, means we have to choose the maximum value and this is the answer. Okay, like this we have to do. And if a question of question is given the objective function minimization, then the question will be same. If suppose the question will be same, and here the symbols will be changed only. Less than, equal to, no, greater than, and greater than. Then what we have to do, we have to change only, like this only we will plot the points and we will get the 3 lines. After doing this, we have done the arrow, down arrow. For this, for minimization, we have to do the upward. Then we will get the this infinite region. Okay, this points. See, this one, not this one, because we have done, we have to choose the upward common region. Okay, all the points are going upward, so we have to choose the upward point and we will get the this shaded portion. Okay, and there is no limit for this, so it is an unbounded region. And we will also here we will get the 3 or 4 points, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 for minimization. I am talking about minimization. Maximization I have done, and I have told you in minimization we will get the unbounded region and infinite shaded portion. So we will get the 4 points. We will plot like this, 4 points A, B, C, D, and we will again get the value of Z. Then in that we are doing minimization. So then we will the answer will be 0, because we have to choose the minimum value. Okay, then the answer will be 0. Okay, in the next video we will talk about simplex method and also duality. So thank you.